The time now in the southeast was about the only dry patch in Queensland today, with showers and storms over most parts of the state. The figures shortly, but first the temperatures. It was unusually cool in Mount Isa with 26 degrees, that's 9 below average. Temperatures along the coast were close to normal though. Cairns reached 31 degrees. In the south, Goondiwindi was the state's hottest centre on 37 degrees. The lowest temperature was 17 degrees at Stanthorpe. The Sunshine Coast peaked at 31, the Gold Coast 30. Ipswich dropped to 19 degrees last night before a top of 33 today. Brisbane and Logan City reached 31 degrees. To the rainfall, and between 9 and 3 today, the highest report was 68 millimetres at Jarrah Creek near Tully. 23 millimetres fell in the gauge at Mornington Island. And in the 24 hours before 9, Paluma scored 133 millimetres, the Monument 105. On the satellite photo, the wet weather's been generated by an extensive trough from the top end through Western Queensland and into the Tasman Sea. But the stabilising influence of a high in the Bight is keeping the southwest of the continent cloud-free. Late tomorrow, rain areas over western districts will contract east and extend from the northern tropics down to the southeast interior. A cold front is expected to reach the Queensland-New South Wales border by Tuesday evening. Interstate, showers for most of the capitals, but Hobart and Adelaide should be fine, 35 degrees for Alice Springs. Back home, warnings are still current for Cooper Creek and for several rivers, including the Thompson, Paroo and Lower Warrego. To the forecasts now. In the north, can expect isolated showers on the Peninsula and Gulf Coast, warming up to 31 degrees in Townsville. Moderate to locally heavy falls in the west, a top of 31 degrees for Mount Isa. Longreach also heading for a top of 31 degrees. Isolated showers and storms in central parts, Mackay and Rockhampton heading for 31 degrees, Gladstone 29. In the southeast, afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms, top temperatures ranging from 30 to 34 degrees, down to 23 degrees on the Sunshine and Gold Coasts tonight before a top of 31. Brisbane should be mostly fine tomorrow, but there could be a late shower or thunderstorm, 23 to 31 in the city. Looking at the week ahead, more rain is expected on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, but it should be mostly fine after that, with temperatures below the 30-degree mark. And on Moreton Bay, northwest winds at 10 to 15 knots, turning north-northwest during the morning, seas to 1 metre, and the first high tide tomorrow is at 20 past 10. And that's ABC News for this Sunday. Thanks for joining us. Good night.